Now, welcome to Rewire to Rise, the Mindshift Program. I'm assuming you already have this book, and you see in the book we have 5 steps. It says 5 easy steps to guide you to your best self, and in the recordings we actually have 6 steps. But let's just go through the book, have a bit of an overview on how it works, how this different chapter work for you, and how you actually follow the program so you can get most of the recordings and the book. Yeah. So the best way to start is that you actually do one step at a time, so you don't go step 5 to step 3 or whatever. You really, this book is meant to go step 1, 2 and so on. You can, when you are, let's say, in step 3, you can go obviously back and do step 2 again, but you don't want to go, step 1 and step 5 and so on. Okay, so step 1 is just a miracle question, and it tells you a bit about your mindset. It gives you some tools on how to be more aware of what you actually say to yourself. The miracle question is a great starter point. So you go into the miracle question and then you pretend that the miracle has happened for you. So you pretend that you don't have any anxiety and so on. You have to go through the process. I don't want to explain all the stuff in detail here. So you go through the process and you do that. And what's happening then is that you are realizing more of what you actually say to yourself. So the miracle question is one tool on figuring out what you actually say to yourself, what your self-talk is. And it's an important thing to figure it out, because your self-talk defines actually who you are and who you become. So if you change your self-talk, you change who you become. If you keep your self-talk the same all the time, you're going to be the same person in a year's time and so on. Yeah. So it's important to figure out what you constantly actually say to yourself. Another way to do that, it's also described in this book, is the expressive writing. Expressive writing is that you have a bunch of paper in front of you, good pens to write, and then you write all the crap out, all the negative stuff. Everything, you write it out. It's actually also a therapy. It's not just figuring out what you think, but it's also to get it out there. It's plenty of good research on that. So you really write it all down, and then when you have written it all down, you put it in front of you and you rip it apart and you throw it away. And do that every day for at least 3 weeks, better is 30 days, and you see how this changes your life. Get rid of all this stuff. The thing is that we think this past negative stuff is not actually hindering us anymore, but it still is locked in. It's actually wired in the subconscious mind and even in your body. Now, when you get rid of it, this expressive writing is a great start to do that. And in addition, you can do the hypnotherapy session. Now, this was step 1. Step 2 is the truth about yourself. And it's interesting that with step 2, I highly recommend that you do the hypnotherapy session before you read it in the book. It is because when I have people under in hypnosis, they easily believe that they are unique, special, loved, created in a unique, special, wonderful way, and so on. They have no trouble to believe that. If I say that to your face now, what did your conscious mind tell you just now? What resistance did you build up? And that's what most people do. They build some resistance up for that. As when you listen it in hypnosis, your subconscious mind takes it in and it boosts your self-esteem from the inside out. And then when you have listened to that a few times, sometimes even, then you start reading the chapter 2. And this is your build up. So there, the more you are connected to the real truth about you, that you are uniquely made, that you are gifted, talented, yes, you are powerful, and so on. Then, when you are in this state, then we're going to deal with the past. And it's going to be in a way that you are in a safe place when you do this healing session, step 3. Step 3 has 2 parts, and any time if you feel like, oh, I need step 2 again, you just do that again. You boost your self-esteem. Many of my clients tell me that step 2 is the best one ever. So they just listen to it regularly and regularly and regularly, and they feel how it changes their lives, how it And it just makes them feel good and more powerful, and more just more happy, and more, you know, trusting themselves to be doing the right thing at the right time and building that self-esteem and so on. Step 4 is really interesting, because step 4, you're unlocking your hidden potential. So now with step 3, you got rid of all these limiting thoughts, beliefs and so on. Everything that anyone ever put it on you. In step 4 you got rid of that. In step 3 you got rid of that. And now in step 4 you're unlocking your potential. You're figuring out what is your true purpose. Why are you actually here in this world? What other gifts and talents you may have. So it's one of the sessions I love most. Step 4 is just, I think it's just most beautiful. And then people come back and tell me all kind of stories after that. Oh, I never thought I can do that. I never thought, oh, I really love that actually. I'm really good at it as well. I never thought I'd do that. Or they come back and tell me they start studying something, or they were a new hobby and all kind of things. So I'm just guiding you through a process to get you to your best self. So I'm not telling you what to do, and that's the difference with hypnotherapy and life coaching. I just want the best for you, that you figuring out the best you can be, your unique special purpose. I cannot tell you what that is. I have my unique special purpose, but you have your unique special purpose, and that what makes this whole process unique and special, because it's your process you're going through. And then step 5. In step 5, you're going to go through a little bit of a process. You're figuring out what are your values. Now, because you are free, now you got rid of all this crap. That's why these 5 steps is so important to do it in this order. Yes, you opened your mind with step 5. You boosted your self-esteem. You figured out who you really are in step 2. You got rid of all the crap in step 3. And now in step 4, you start unlocking your potential. And in step 5 now, as you gradually develop or flower or flourish as your true being, now you decide what is your true value. You learn about the life balance, you learn the 20-80 rule or 80-20 rule, and then here, now finally, we do some goal setting. Now you understand why goal setting is at the end, because it's a process. Because now the goal setting is your goal setting. It's not because somebody else told you that you have to do that in your life. Now you decided, you decide what you want in your life. You decide your values, your purpose. You figure that out along the way. And now you can set your goals. And it's quite interesting when my clients here in the one-to-one session go through this process, when they come into step 1, and then leave at step 5, how their life changes. It's so beautiful to see. And not because I told them to, because they got more and more connected to their true self. And that's what I'm most passionate about, to see more and more people just flourish, be happy, because they live their true purpose. Now, if you need support along the way to this journey, there are always links to book your free 30-minute session, and then we can take it from there, see how much support you need, or if that's enough, or whatever. Okay? I'm looking forward to read your reviews as well, and your feedbacks, and if you have any questions, we have all this chat, these online groups as well, these closed groups, the closed group in the app, and these other groups which you get access to. Okay, if you have any questions, you have my contact details. Bye bye for now.